It's finally here, the most powerful iPhone ever made. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a phone. It's a revolution in your pocket. In this video, we're breaking down everything. The new design, advanced camera system, A14 Pro chip, battery upgrades, and even the features Apple didn't announce on stage. This is the complete launch breakdown of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go. Apple has redesigned the iPhone 17 Pro Max with precision. Display, 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with 120 Hz ProMotion body, aerospace grade, titanium with satin matte finish bezels. Now the thinnest ever on any iPhone colors. Deep blue, graphite black, black, titanium gray and limited edition, burgundy dynamic island. Slimmer, faster, and more responsive, it feels lighter in hand, yet more premium than ever before. Underneath this sleek body lies the A14 Pro chip, Apple's most advanced processor yet. Built on a Twin architecture, 30% faster than A17, Pro integrated neural engine with AI-level photo and video optimization, better thermal control with vapor chamber cooling gaming, multitasking, or 4K video editing. The iPhone 17 Pro Max doesn't slow down. The camera system is next level. 48MP main sensor, f1. 6. Now with improved light intake, 48 multi-red and 20 degrees field of view. 48MP periscope telephoto, up to 6 optical zoom. New photonic engine V3 with smart HDR 6.4. K cinematic mode at 60fps, night mode enhanced with AI front camera. 24MP with retina flash and Face ID 3.0 photography. Lovers and content. Creators, this is your new favorite device. Battery life has been significantly improved. Battery, 4,800 mAh video playback. Up to 32 hours charging. 35W fast charging via USB-C 20W MagSafe wireless charging new feature. Reverse charging, charge your AirPods or Apple Watch from the back of your iPhone. Wi-Fi 7 plus 5G advanced USB-C port with 10 Gbps data speed Face ID 3.0. Now works at more angles, satellite, calling support for emergencies, even without network storage options. 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TBOS, ships with mods. Siri, get friend Siri. AI widgets and enhanced privacy tools. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will be available in, starting at $1,299 USD. Pre-orders begin on September 12, 2025 shipping. Starts September 19, 2025. This is not just a phone. This is Apple's boldest step forward. So, what do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Is this the phone you've been waiting for? Or are the changes not worth the upgrade? Comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates, real reviews, and deep breakdowns, only on InfoChip. Catch you in the next one.